Solid premium walnut for the hunter who wants the best. Don't save pennies by buying cheap imports. Flexible antler cover with velvet finish makes it easy to create a professional-looking antler mount. The assembled size without the whitetail or mule deer antlers is approximately 12 inches by 9 inches by 2.88 inches. Mount shed antlers or your hunting trophy antlers. Works with whitetail deer and mule deer. This Made in America kit makes a great gift for any bow or gun hunter or outdoors man or woman. Any gun or bow hunter would love to display their trophy antlers on this kit. Each walnut board is assembled from color-matched strips to add stability to the final piece and to help avoid any warping in your home. Each piece is then carefully machined on state-of-the-art CNC machines before being finished with a superior satin lacquer. The wide routed edge adds a touch of class to your mount. Each kit includes our flexible antler cover with soft velvet finish, which is easy to mount. Cover color may vary from what's depicted. In addition to the cover, the kit includes quality nails, gold cord, all hanging hardware and easy-to-follow instructions. The assembled dimensions without antlers are 12 inches by 9 inches by 2.88 inches. Proudly made in Wisconsin, USA. Top reviews from the United States. Most like it, but most complaints were like the material that. I had a very hard time finding a DIY kit that was even one-half decent. I went to Bass Pro and other local stores looking for what I wanted. Even on Amazon there were several cheaper mounts and this one was rated the highest but still only 4 stars. Most like it, but most complaints were like the material that covers the antlers is hard to cut. One dude even complained that the gold-colored rope unraveled after he cut it. Wow. My 5-star story, it looks great. Not sure what kind of wood it is, but it looks good. It took me about an hour to get it all done and it looks killer. Some pointers: make sure to saw, cut or grind the skull so the horns fit flat. Pre-drill the holes for everything including the tacks. I used a large flat washer as a template to cut the holes in the cover. Wrap the gold cord very tight with clear Scotch tape before cutting, and then after the cut add a little hot glue to keep it from unraveling. Great product, 5 stars.